I hope you are enjoying the recent resources which I'm sharing, AI tools for your placement journey. I'm gonna add more and you can share your feedback to improve and what else you need to prepare for your placement. So in this video, I'm gonna share an amazing opportunity from EY hiring for intern role. So basically I have shared one survey. So people also want more jobs and internship opportunities. So I'm gonna try to share more, and here I have curated lots of job opportunities from freshers to experienced candidate. I will attach the link in the description. You can check it out, all the recent job opportunities. Okay, so before starting the video, like recently I have shared these AI tools like job ready score. You can check your score, like just upload your resume, LinkedIn profile, GitHub and your coding profile. It will tell how much you are prepared and it will tell where you can improve. And some other tools like mock interview, resume optimizer, LinkedIn optimizer, AI job finder, like you just have to upload your resume and it will tell you the list of the jobs relevant to you, and you can choose the experience level, although it will automatically check. Okay, so yeah, check all these AI tools which you'll get here, like all are listed here, and recent cover letter AI, like just upload your resume, it will generate based on the job description if you paste. Otherwise you can generate general cover letter. So talking about this opportunity, EY is hiring for GDS Consulting role, and the location will be, so yeah, it the location will be for India region, not specific. Okay, that will, okay, the location will be Hyderabad, right? And about this role, what is required from your side is that you must be B.Tech IT Computer Science and Circuit Branch student, should have secured 60% and above, no active backlog. Okay, the skills needed should be like should have understanding and experience related to software best practices. Okay, SDLC best if you have a Java, .NET, Python, data analytics databases such as SQL. Internship in relevant technology domain will be added value. Okay, so if you have these skills, you can apply right now. Before applying, you will get the optimized, like ATS friendly resume templates. You can get it here for free. I have added many, like almost 6 8 ATS friendly resume template, and based on your role you can select download. You can directly download and edit for yourself. Once you are edited your resume, you can optimize here, like just paste the job description, paste the job description and upload your resume. It will tell you the ATS score and keywords which you should add. It will help you in a optimization. Okay, now regarding preparation, everything is added here, like from roadmap to PYQs to interview questions and interview experience, right? I will add all the company's interview experience, like this is for some other role. So let me know if you need into experience for any particular company, for any particular role I'm gonna add. Okay, and like prepare, like create your profile, guys. Like you can create, add all the details regarding your basic information, name, professional summary, experience, projects, and then you can just public your profile and you can like share with the recruiters. Here you will get the opportunity to connect with other people. You will get all the details. You can connect with these peoples. I will add more features. So if you have any suggestions, do let me know. I'm helping like these things to be noticed by all people. Okay, yeah, if this video was helpful, do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.